Hiya, I've got yet another set of fantastic marker pens to show you. Thank you very much to Arrtx for sending me these to sponsor this video. Now, as you know, I've got a lot of marker pens. I'm not easily impressed by marker pens, but I generally am with the Arrtx ones. And I have a confession, I have been playing with these and I've mislaid the white one and the black one, so you'll just have to take my word for it that they're fabulous. I have also tried them on a rock which came out like this with just one coat. They draw on resin as well. And let me just show you on resin. This is a real quickie, isn't it? What colour would contrast well? Yellow. Let's go for a bright yellow. Look at that. That's good, isn't it? So you could paint, you could resin over that or whatever. Anyway, aside from that, I thought I'd show you some of the colours, not all of them, because there's an awful lot. So let me show you the metallics first. So here's the red. Isn't that lovely? It's like a deep wine red. See how metallic that is when it's dried. And there's a silver and a gold. So let's try the gold. I'm giving them a good shake before I use them. Oh gosh, that's good, isn't it? Look at that. That's amazing for an acrylic. Okay, let's do the silver as well then. So you've got the red, the silver and the gold in the metallic. That is very good for an acrylic marker. I'll tell you what else comes with these. Look, you've got spare nibs. Fine, are those, I think those might even be, are they fine nibs or are they brush tip? They might even be brush tip, those. And some more of the normal nibs. That just comes with it as standard. So I'm going to pick out a few colours to show you how good the coverage is. This is a pretty colour. Isn't that lovely? But really good coverage. I don't know if you're seeing how good this is on this bit of paper. This is just ordinary photocopier paper. And look at that. Isn't that good? I don't think I shook this one before I did that square. That's better. At the end of the day, they're paint, so you do need to give them a bit of a shake. They're nice, they're fantastic colours and very liquidy. Going through all the purples first, aren't I? Typical me, eh? But the coverage, I think, is fantastic. Let's have a pale minty green. Now it does give you a colour chart on the back of the box, like so. Because print is only so accurate, and you can only tell so much from the lid of your bottle and from the lid of your marker and everything. What they do as well is provide you with a little fill-in colour chart, so you can fill in your own, which I did and then mislaid. But yeah, just so you know that you get that, because that's obviously a real bonus. I spent a lovely afternoon while Mark was watching the football doing that. But yeah, I think you'll agree these are pretty impressive. So, very short video just to show you these. They will, of course, pop up and feature in various other videos going forward. The one I did the rock as part of. For a start, I've also been painting on wood that I've done with cut out with my XTool. Been doing some Halloween stuff. That's why I can't find my black pen. So you will be seeing a lot of these. This is one of my favourite colours. I do like a nice khaki. I think there's a metallic. Is there a metallic green as well? I don't know, I've lost track. I've muddled them all up as well. That nice. Green gold is just one of my favourites. Let's go for the darker green. Okay, when you're bored, you can move on to my next video. There'll be a link coming up for you at the end of this video, of course, to the video that YouTube thinks you would like next. But I did just want to leap on here very quickly and show you these, because I did promise Arrtx weeks and weeks and weeks ago that I would. But of course I've been playing with them, haven't I? I've been enjoying them a bit too much. Do you need me to do all of them? Probably not. I think you can see what an epic colour range this is. This lot, plus black and white. Enjoy! There's a link for them down in the video description below as usual. So I'll see you for the next full-on video. Bye.